Hi everyone, it's Rachel here. I am here with gift idea number 7, I think. No, number 8. Number 8 we're up to. So, I watched a video by Roben Marie Smith, and I don't know if you've ever watched her before. She's an artist and has really great videos. And I think it was just in my suggested videos. And I am subscribed to her, but I've been listening to her Creative Pod series, which is really great. Anyway, I'm just waffling on. This idea is for like it's a gift for a crafty friend, and it's a sketchbook. So like a little mini sketch notepad, I think Roben called it. So I've done it obviously in my style. Roben does beautiful abstract, a lot of abstract sort of painting with really quick brush strokes and lines and pencil, and she's amazing. In fact, I'm going to sign up for one of her courses. And so anyway, I'll link the video down below and I'll show you what I did, but I did it, as I said, my way. So this one has a bigger spine, or yeah, I guess you call it a spine. And I put this sort of mixed media bit that I had made. This is an image from Medieval Mirage, and then I've stitched around it some antique linen and also some hemp on the spine, and then that's just some Medieval Mirage paper. And then you open it and it's very simple inside, but I put some medieval Mirage paper on the inside, also here as well. And then this is so it kind of goes that way, but you could make them that way as well. But this is a 220 GSM mixed media paper, so it means like you can do painting on it as well, so mixed media. So I thought that's pretty cool. And then the other two have a smaller spine here. I made mine slightly different to Roben, besides obviously the obvious aesthetically they're completely different, because I'm not an artist like Roben is. My construction was slightly different. I recycled, so I'll show you that tomorrow how I did that. I'm sorry I didn't get the video done today. I'm a bit behind. I finished off 3 journals, ladies, so by the time this is up, I will have messaged you with the photographs of your journals. So yay, finally. And I've nearly finished a 4th one. And so I'm very excited about that as well. So this one, I'll show you this one first. This is something that I was playing around with for Tracy Fox. I'm doing a design team project for her, and this is an extra one that I had. It's got some of my tea coffee dyed sort of fabrics and stenciled painted antique linen, vintage doily, some of that fluffy stuff, some masking paper, and obviously a Tracy Fox image. And then on the back I put one of Tracy's little butterflies. This was when I did the stamping on the coffee or tea dyed paper, and this was the paper that I painted in my Arteza series with the block print, which I really love that. I love that as a base. It's really great. So, and then inside this one I put obviously some Tracy Fox, and also at the back here as well. And then this one has 110 GSM, and it's a rough texture. It's not smooth, and it's just a drawing paper. It's just, yeah, you probably could do a little bit of painting on it, but not too wet. I didn't even count the pages. I just randomly stuck them in. I don't even know if the 2 signatures have the same amount. This one has 3 signatures, probably the same amount of pages, but that paper was double the weight pretty much. And then this one, now this paper here is a paper that I haven't shown you yet, that my husband had done with me. We were playing around in Photoshop because he's very good at all that stuff, and I just love it. And then that's the other part of the paper with some of my antique letters and embroideries and things like that. And then I put some vintage linen there and one of my labels. And then inside is another paper that my hubby did for me with some lace and writing and a butterfly. And this is the other part of the paper as well. Oh, and look, and his face is gone. But, you know, he didn't fit. He got covered up. Sorry, but he was pretty cute. So, I mean, you could stick another one over there, sort of thing. So that's that one as well. So this is my idea. Well, it's not my idea, it's Roben's idea, but I thought it's a great gift idea. Thank you, Roben. And I will show you how I constructed mine tomorrow. As I said, slightly different to Roben, but similar but different. So, yeah, so I hope you like that idea. Really fun, and I won't say 100% fast to make, in the sense that, you know, you've got to sort of figure it out. It's like looking at a blank canvas. But I think that's a really fun gift for someone. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. And tomorrow maybe I'll have a think, and there'll be, I mean, there are endless possibilities with this kind of project. Endless. Like, I was thinking even with that thick Arteza felt, making my base with that could be cool. So I probably won't do it tomorrow because I need to sort of think about it, but I might do it in the future. So thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.